Hello guys, today I show you how to run Android in your computer. So how to do so? We can say how to install set up BlueStacks in your computer. So to set up BlueStacks in your computer, you have to download the file of the BlueStacks by this website, BlueStacks.com. So you can find out this website. I will give you in the description. So when you click the link in my description below, it will display this, and you can click on this, and it will download for you. So click on here, show in folder. Again, show in folder. So click on this to install. It takes several minutes for you. For me, I install already. So I will find in my desktop. Here is my installing. So there are two. So you just click BlueStacks 5 here to open. Just double click on it. Yeah, this is the interface. So we have Play Store, we have games menu here, camera, YouTube. So actually you can run Android in this computer. That's cool. You can minimize, go to home, you can go to Play Store. You can register your email, and then to download Facebook or YouTube or others here, or TikTok. You can install. It's like your Android, and you can play something. Yeah, I think that's all. Please subscribe for more.